Welcome, friends, to our journey into timeless elegance. Today, we our sleeves in a story of culture, beauty, and fashion into memories that set the mama dress apart into rich heritage of traditional craftsmanship and personal expression. The moment you see it, you sense a grace, flowing lines, gentle drape, and modest yet thinking care. Feel the texture under your fingers, smooth, soft. Notice the color, deep tones, delicate pastels, bold. Each shade telling its own story. Then there the embroidery, the and flora message. The fabric used are often lightweight, breathable, and chosen to provide comfort in all seasons, whether it's cotton for simplified silk, luxury, and chiffon for a graceful drape, mama dress to suit every mood and occasion. The design, facture, traditional embroidery, beadwork, or lace, showcasing a unique blend of artistry and fashion. Another beautiful aspect of mama dressing is how they embrace both traditional and some design land heavily and culture inspiration, classic cuts and motifs that honor heritage, while others add a twist with bold colors, trendy cuts, and stylish layering. They make them perfect for women who want to carry forward tradition while experiencing modern confidence. So, whether you are searching for something modest, elegant, or fashion forward, memor dresses give you a world of possibilities. Their charm lies in the balance they strikes between old and new, between comfort and elegance, between everyday wear and festival glamour. So, turn because in this video, we'll be showcasing a variety of stunning member dressing design for casual chic to bride elegance. Each design tells its show story. We cannot wait to inspire your next fashion choice. Fashion choice. Pair them with elegant jewelry, a simple clutch, or even modern heels, and you instantly transform your look from ordinary to uncomfortable. Women who want to carry